Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. So my fab bag has arrived. Of course it has arrived a little late because I had renewed my subscription this month, and I guess they take 20 days to register the subscription, which is why, but nevertheless, better late than never. So this is the bag, a beautiful golden clutch bag. It's quite thin in material, so you can use it for packing and organizing as well, or you can take it like a hand clutch as well. So quite multi-purpose. This time Fabbag has sent 5 products and it is their festive high edition. So there's one card which is mentioning their products, there's one card about the My Fabbag contest, and there's one card explaining Kaya serum, which is a product inside. Let's see what's inside. So starting with the optional product which was there, which is the Jerry G lip gloss that I have. This is in the color peach, yeah, and it's a 4 ml lip balm, and I'll just give you a swatch also of it. As you can see, it's a little nude kind of a color. Now giving you a swatch as well. It's actually a very not a very coffee shade, quite a nude shade, nude peachy shade. This is the shade, a very nice shade, a daily shade as well. And I wore it on my lips actually yesterday, not today, but this is quite moisturizing, stayed for around 3 hours. So yeah, this is one product I'm happy with. The price is 1000 rupees and it's full size. Then there is the Votre Gel Lip Scrub. This is also, by the way, full size. So this big, small baby is full size. So this for 300 bucks. This has a lot of good things, which is jojoba oil, wheat germ oil, licorice, lemon, corn particles. So this you have to apply on your lips, scrub your lips a little, post which you have to wash the scrub and apply a lip balm. So that is how you use the Votre scrub. And Votre is, by the way, pronounced as Votwa, but I have always pronounced this as Votre, so I just keep pronouncing it like that. But in case you want to be the French lady, you can pronounce it as Votwa, okay? So okay, coming back to the products. The third thing is the Kaya Brightening Serum. This is the sample which is there, which is a 5 ml sample. The 30 ml one retails for 1490 rupees. So this serum is what the pamphlet was for. So you have to basically use 2 to 3 drops of this serum on a cleansed face and neck. And this actually pamphlet also has a 15% off for on Kaya products with the code Kaya15. So you can also use it, I guess. So this is a nice serum. I've not tried it as yet, but they say that it brightens the skin and all of that. Kaya products I've heard good reviews about, so I guess it's going to be good. Then there is Veda Earth Cleansing Facial Oil. Now talking about facial oils a little, it's a cleansing oil. You can use it. It's a dry oil first of all, so even oily skin girls like us can use it. I used it yesterday night and I've not had any problems as yet. So it's a dry oil, so even oily skin girls can use it because it's not going to make your skin oily. It is going to absorb in your skin very fast. So this is the outer packaging and this is the inside. Directions for use are that you have to apply it on face and neck and gently massage on the skin till it absorbs. You can wipe it off the product with a dry tissue as well. The smell that it has is very much of very nice smell, but I can't explain the smell to you. I guess I have had the smells. Yes, this is the smell of chamomile. I was thinking it's either lavender or chamomile. This smells very good of chamomile, so you can actually use it at night. By the way, this is manufactured in Bangalore, so this is a product from my city, from our city. So yeah, this has Roman chamomile, benzoin, and this is 25 ml of product. And the full size, this is a full size which is for 350 bucks. And the last thing, which is a nail polish, is the Stay Quirky nail polish. This is the shade that I have got, and by the way, this is what I'm wearing on this nail as well. So this is a nice bright pink kind of a color. So this is in the shade Fabbag 3. So I guess they have some bit of Fabbag shades, Fabbag 1, 2. The pink one is the shade Fabbag 3. Thankfully, I don't have this exact color, which is why I'm loving it. So Fabbag, we all know, beauty subscription service, one of the leading subscription services of India. One box, I guess, retails for 599 rupees, but they have great discounts if you opt for a higher duration subscription. So they really have like good discounts for you for high duration. So definitely do go for this fab bag for this month. Some good products, skincare as well as makeup. And I personally am a skincare fan. People keep asking me, do you prefer skincare or makeup? I don't think I have to answer that. I definitely prefer skincare over makeup. So this was my fab bag. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please do subscribe to my channel as well for more videos. Until next time, thank you for watching Beautiful Within. Bye bye.